So you want to know how to drain and clean your hot tub like a pro, huh? Well, that's good news, because I tagged along with 2 of our award-winning service technicians and they showed me exactly how to do it. Here's a video. Now the process can be a little bit intimidating, but it is something that you can do for yourself at home. So the first thing you're going to want to do is drain the water out of your hot tub. Now every hot tub is going to have a drain, and each drain is going to be a little bit different model to model. So if you have any questions, consult your owner's manual or give us a call if you aren't sure how to use your drain. So you can certainly use the drains that are built into your hot tub, but we like to use sump pumps. A sump pump is going to drastically reduce the amount of time it takes to drain the water out of your hot tub. Using just the drains built into your spa, it can take as long as 6 hours. But with these 2 sump pumps, we drained all the water in about 20 minutes. While your spa is draining, take this time to clean other parts of your spa. You can remove your filter, and if your spa uses a multi-stage filter like a microclean filter, you can separate the 2 stages. Then you can spray the external stage with some filter cleaner and let it sit while you continue to drain your spa. You can also clean your water line. We like to use BioGuards off the wall, but we do recommend cleaning your pillows with just water. You can also clean the exterior of your spa or your spa cover with some 303 and a cloth. When the spa is mostly drained, we take a shop vac and remove any remaining water in the seats, the footwell, or even the jets. And if you don't have a shop vac, you can use a bucket to remove most of that water. Once the tub is empty, you can go ahead and clean the interior of your spa. Take some gel gloss and some off the wall and coat the entire inside of your tub and let it sit for a few minutes. Then wipe it down. If you need to get inside your spa, we recommend placing a towel or cloth down to stand on. After your tub is clean, replace your drain cap if you removed it. Now it's time to refill your spa. To refill your spa, insert a hose into the filter cartridge and let the water run through that way. Remember, don't turn your spa back on until your water line is above all your jets. Finally, spray down your filter thoroughly with a hose and remove any filter cleaner that you may have applied. Then you can go ahead and reattach your filter. You can go ahead and turn your spa on and let it reach about 80 degrees before testing or balancing any of the chemicals in your spa. Keep in mind, there might be some other steps that you need to take that are specific to your spa. For example, in the Sundance in the video, we replaced the clear ray bulb. Or say if you have a hot spring with the Ace salt water system, you're going to want to add Vanishing Act. Cleaning and maintaining your spa is essential to extending its lifespan, and it also makes enjoying your spa a lot easier. We recommend cleaning your spa about once every 4 months. If you have any questions about cleaning your spa, feel free to give us a call. We're here to help. Or if you don't feel like going it alone, we'd be happy to send out some of our award-winning technicians to do the job for you. All right, everybody, thanks for watching. Till next time.